Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the exact YouTube account and browser where the ad first appeared. Log in, then make sure cookies are enabled and any ad blocker is off. Once done, clear just the site cache or open a fresh profile to avoid stale settings. You do this because YouTube ties ad delivery to cookies, account activity, and browser signals. Resetting those improves the chance the same ad will be served again. Now proceed to recreate the viewing context. Next, replicate the exact context that triggered the ad. Search the same video, channel, or keyword and play related content in the same sequence. Make sure your account language, location, and device type match previous conditions. Ad auctions use those signals. Watch the video for the typical duration, don't skip immediately, because watch time influences subsequent ad choices. If the ad was tied to a playlist or search, repeat those steps to rebuild the recommendation and targeting signals that served the ad. Finally, play the candidate videos and watch until the ad slot appears. When it does, interact if needed, click or hover to ensure the event registers. If the ad does not reappear, make small variations. Restart the session, keep the same account signals, and try again after 24 to 48 hours because auctions shift. If things still fail, verify privacy settings, disable extensions, and review ad preferences in Google settings. These are common blockers that prevent specific ads from being served.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.